Cosmic Robotics raises $4 million automating solar installation. Cosmic Robotics has just secured $4 million to bring construction into the 21st century, starting with solar energy. Their mission? Use AI-driven robots to speed up solar installation and help tackle America's $9.1 trillion infrastructure gap. Their first robot, the Cosmic 1A, is purpose-built for large-scale solar projects. It handles the heavy lifting, literally cutting labour costs and more than doubling productivity on site. No more delays from labour shortages or manual bottlenecks. Powering it all is Particle, Cosmic's proprietary AI platform. It processes real-time data to automate quality checks, track assets and keep projects running smoothly, even in heat, rain or good old-fashioned construction site mud. The team behind Cosmic Robotics comes from heavyweights like SpaceX, NASA, Google and Built Robotics. CEO James Emmerich, who grew up on construction sites, says it best. It's time to upgrade the tools we've been using for 50 years. Backed by giant ventures and other top investors, Cosmic Robotics is laying the foundation for the next generation of infrastructure, starting with solar, but thinking far beyond. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious about how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.